Section 1, starting foot, left foot. Left foot, forward mambo, right foot, back mambo. Left foot, forward rock, recover, together. Right foot, back, recover, together. Repeat, forward mambo and back mambo. Section 1, count. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Weight on right. Section 2. Left foot, side mambo, right foot, side mambo. Left foot, side rock, recover, together. Right foot, side rock, recover, together. Repeat, side mambo, together, side mambo, together. Section 2, count. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Weight on right. Section 3, side quick step. Left foot, side, together, side, together, side, together, side. Weight on left. Right foot, cross rock, recover side. Cross rock, recover side. Left foot, cross rock, recover side. Weight on left. Section 3, count. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Last section 4, right side quick step. Side together, side together, side together, side. Weight on right. Left cross rock, recover. Cross and side. Right foot, cross rock, recover, quarter turn right. Rock and recover, quarter turn right. Facing 3 o'clock. Last section, count. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 전체 카운트 한번 해보겠습니다. 섹션 1부터 mambo step 시작. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. See you next.